Hello everybody, welcome to today's episode. We are going to be going to the Lexus dealership. The dealership that I bought my Lexus from is having an event for the release of the LS500 tonight. So I will be picking up my brother and we will be heading out over there to check out what the LS500 is all about. What's up guys, I'm here in the Lexus event. I am sitting inside the LS500 right now, which has the optional crystal glass, which is a $20,000 option. I mean, look at that, that is absolutely beautiful. And the lighting is not the best right now, but it is stunning. Guys, I'm currently sitting in the Lexus LS500H Hybrid, basically fully loaded with the crystals on the door, and the car looks absolutely phenomenal on the interior as well as the exterior. Let me show you this display over here. A fantastic car, really steps up the luxury aspect, especially these crystals and the door pattern. It is phenomenal guys, I absolutely love it. Let me pop the hood, see what's underneath it. Alright guys, we are leaving the event. The LS500 is an incredibly beautiful car. Inside and outside looks great. That $20,000 option crystal, definitely worth it. What can I say? Lexus is stepping up their game. They could finally compete with Mercedes and BMW. So thanks to Woodfield Lexus for this event. We'll see you guys on the next video.